the power of the mouth, and recurring yeast infection. Now, as a biochemist, I can tell you the most dangerous bacteria that are found in the body is in the mouth. They are healthy for digestion, to help to break down your food from starting in the mouth, but they are very dangerous. Did you know that if you bite someone and put in your intention you want to poison them, you know that they have to actually get antibiotic for that bite? That bite can last so long. Now, I had a client where she was constantly having recurring yeast infection. She take antibiotics until it kills her natural bacteria that is within the vaginal community, because you have good bacteria, bad bacteria, you have the yeast, and they have to be maintained by a balance. So what happened is that, yes, as soon as you take antibiotic, ladies, yes, you will have yeast infection, because you kill the bad bacteria, the good bacteria that should keep the bad bacteria under control, and the yeast just get out of control. But not only that, why was it recurring was because the person was a meat eater and drink milk, and milk and meat as two dangerous bacteria that is not healthy for the vagina. This is why the person that was practicing oral sex on this lady never know that that was what was introducing but the bacteria into their vagina. I'm trying to do this one short, but guess what? The mouth is powerful in so many different ways. This is why don't let no one bite on you. Be careful who you kiss, and remember, be careful who go down on you, because bacteria from meat and milk is not healthy for the vagina. Peace. I'm out. Knowledgeable, true virgin. Support the book on Amazon and on my website, The Clothesline and the One for All Remedy, Holistic 8.